Hello, I'm Stephen, the founder of Webamon. I'm going to show you a quick demo of Web3.webamon.com. This is a front-end wrapper around Webamon's API. It's a queue interface for what can most likely be early malicious Web3 addresses that are facilitating crime or something else nefarious. When you first log in, it takes a minute or two. What happens is it searches across all the resources and the document object models from yesterday's newly registered domains for regex patterns that match well-known Web3 addresses. It then splits them into these buckets. At the top we'll have the domain name, then we will have the page title followed by the tag. There's also two buttons. One opens up the Webamon report and the other opens up the Webamon screenshot. Each row in a bucket is an extracted address. We can either mark them as malicious or safe. If we want to mark everything as malicious, we can mark all malicious. We can also do the same to mark all safe. If we were to triage them, we could look at the screenshot. This one appears to be a fake Cloudflare captcha. And if we want to view the address and have some information, it will open it up automatically in the right blockchain explorer. Here it opens up Etherscan for Ethereum addresses. Here we can see there's a balance, so maybe some ongoing activity is happening. We also have the brand impersonation. So this is the earliest way to see if there's any malicious websites targeting well-known Web3 companies. And here for Crypto.com we can see we have one for Crypto.com employee onboarding. We can open this, have a quick look. We can see it's a login screen. So we can mark that as malicious. And if we take another example here, we'll look at Binance. So Binance-digital, it says Elite Wealth Management as the page title. We can open up the report, again get a visual confirmation. This appears to be a Binance themed login. So we can mark that as malicious. And now if we want to export them results and use them else downstream, we have two options. We have CSV or JSON. So we can download the JSON, and what that will look like is this. So we will have the Bitcoin addresses split out to the value, as well as the address type, the associated website that it was found on, and some timestamps. And then for the domains we have similar. We'll have the domain as well as the domain it was found on and the date it was found. If you want to try this out for yourself to hunt malicious Web3 addresses, it's on web3.webamon.com. Thank you.